Wherever you may be, however you may be watching. Welcome. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Here we go. GG's, good matches, yeah. I only had a couple quarters so far. Most likely going second. Okay. He sets one. Yeah. If he didn't have the unable to special summon from the extra deck, I think I would have had that. But he completely locked me out of the extra deck. Completely locked me out of the extra deck. Oh. The new reptiles, yet again. Alright, special summon him. I wonder if that's a trap. You can chain it. But let's go ahead and do this. We're going to bring you. And actually, you. Bring you two guys. Yeah, I'm actually going to go ahead and special summon. I'm going to force him to use this trap. And I'm actually going to do... let's just try to go for game. He's letting this go off. We're going to bring this to our hand. Because if he lets this go off, then battle, attack. Because I haven't normal summoned yet. And he just surrenders. Alright. Need to learn from my mistake. Let's just do back row removal. Don't worry about the other stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's I want a fifth. What's the fifth? What's the fifth card? We'll get rid of Nibiru for this turn. Alright. Man, he quit on me. I wonder what that back row was. I didn't normal summon because I was just afraid of the destroy 3 cards trap. Learning from last time. Right, what is he going to do? Waiting on him still. Waiting on him still. Hey! Harvey, thank you for that follow. Gotta catch them all. Wrong thing, Harvey. Wrong thing. How you doing today, Harvey? A great stream, by the way, guy. Yesterday, Harvey. Guys, for those that are in my chat, shout out VG Specta, aka Harvey, aka the Canadian. He was playing Valheim, Apex. He was doing a little bit of Valorant yesterday too. He just recently got back into streaming, so go check him out, guys. Good games yesterday. We got a couple of Apex wins yesterday. But yeah, cool. I'm waiting on this guy to finish side decking. Oh, there he goes. Alright, didn't get any of the back row removal, which is unfortunate, but did get a few things. And he just surrenders. Man, I learned from the last duel, and I wanted my revenge on the reptiles. I wanted my revenge, but he did not want to give me the revenge. Alright. No revenge for me, I guess. Rock Squad, going second. Man, been going second a lot. But how you doing today, Harvey? Are you enjoying your Sunday? I'm getting pretty hungry. Oh, he just ends. Alright, that is weird. Normal summon. Special summon. I guess I just make Zexel and call it a day. He start streaming a bit, and right now I'm just doing a mess of homework. Ah, what are you doing? Where are you going to school for? Law Kirk in my last semester. Nice. Nice. Set the XYZ import. I wonder how different the legal system is in Canada than it is in the United States. I actually met so when I was in college, I actually worked on the help desk for a law school at the college I went to, and there was a guy that went to that law school that was from Toronto, and he was going to go back to Canada to actually like take all of his like legal exams, but he still studied in America, which is I think is a little weird to me. I wonder how that works. Hey, magicians. Magician's rod. I'm just gonna take it. Not dealing with rod. Not dealing with that graveyard effect either. Secret Village of the Spellcasters for Apprentice Illusion Magician. Okay. The good special summon. Get that defense out there. Hey, Pylander, thank you for the 100 biddies. How you doing today? And then he just surrenders. Man. And he loses connection. Wow. There's back-to-back duels of people just losing connection and all that jazz. Dang. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please be sure you check out the links below. A link to my Discord and to my Twitch channel where you see most of this content comes from. Also, be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have any suggestions, any tips and tricks. I welcome everything. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you guys next time.